want to show them, Logan? Show them what we're going to shoot.
We're going to shoot a little green 3D printed rocket.
That's already loaded.
Yeah. Alright.
You're still recording, Avery? Okay. Do a test spray.
That's one annoying train.
There you go. You remember how much? Was it one?
No, I don't.
A quick spray?
It was something like that.
Okay, get the cap ready to screw on. Okay. No, hold it up there. Remember, spray this.
That hit the side, that might not work. And my hand.
Get it tight. You got it?
Yep.
Okay, try it. Go ahead. Look. I saw the cup.